Hi people, I'm going to show you first person view. There's my mom. Okay, so start this thing by turning that to on mode. It's on. All you have to do now is start up the friggin' thing. There, I think it's running now. And then, see that? Now you must turn this into reverse mode. Ready? I'm just gonna part this to my mom, okay? Yeah. Alright. Now we must turn. If the camera can see! Okay, now it's my mom's turn to go on this thing on the next part.
But you have to tell me how to.
Yep.
I forgot.